When a couple wants to fix their relationship issues or want to up-level their intimacy and sex life, they'll jump into the relationship part as soon as possible. That's very short-sighted, not sustainable. Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Jane. I support people up-level the consciousness and build deep intimacy. There are three parts in a couple's connection. The first two are partner A, inner connection, partner B's inner connection, and then the third part is a connection between them, which is the relationship. Inevitable piece is to first work on inner connection of partner A and B, respectively. Without this inner connection piece, whatever solution you use to fix a relationship issue is short-sighted, not sustainable. Intimate and close relationships are the place where our wounding, our shadow, our desires, our unmet needs, and our fantasies all show up because there's nowhere to hide. If you view relationship as a place for healing and for growth plus joy, that attitude can bring you much further and deeper with your loved ones. In business, we have personas, agenda, and many professional tools to achieve what we want to do. However, relationship is the magnifier for us to see ourselves, to face ourselves, especially if we want to build an authentic connection. So when there is a relationship issue, that's a reflection, no matter what happened to us in the past, in our upbringing, and whatever shaped us, all show up that really cause discomfort and frustration, even pain. But that's why this is the place for healing and for growth. So when a couple wants to fix a relationship issue right away, it's like they're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. And what's underneath the water is the healing we need and the unmet needs accumulated from the past, and also our triggers. Our beloved in a relationship is the mirror to show us what we need to see and heal and grow. If we deny or run away from the part underneath the water, we really won't go far, no matter whatever counseling or therapist or coach you work with. That's why in order to address relationship issue, the first is to look at the inner connection of each partner. By doing that, you will be jumping out of the deadly loop of working on the issue itself. Because when you upgrade your own operational system and look at the relationship issues again, each party will have a fresh perspective to the relationship issues. Most of it are not an issue anymore. Or there will be new ways to relate to each other. That's also show up as you choose each other as a partner instead of fixing each other. Fixing each other will always be the source of frustration, resentment, and hiding. If you try to fit into a box, you're not looking at what is true to you. Instead, when you chose what is true to you, it may take longer, have more discomfort. However, you reveal your truth and then relate to each other at a new level. That means you choose each other over and over again. I would love to hear in the comments what's your view on choosing each other versus fixing each other in a relationship. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, intimacy is nourishment. See you next time.